Today I want to talk about my two favorite Czech words, Můžu and Umím. I'm Katrina Zurich, an American living in České Budějovice, Czech Republic, and you're watching Checking with Katrina. Můžu means I can, and Umím means I know how to. These are my favorite Czech words because most people allow self-doubt and negative self-talk to get in the way of accomplishing what they want to accomplish. They say things like, I can't, or I don't know how, or I'm not good enough. All of these are lies to keep them from accomplishing what they were put on this earth to accomplish. But I'm here to tell you, you are good enough, and you can do it. You can learn how. You were created in God's image and created with a plan and a purpose for your life. And when God created you, He put the ability inside you to accomplish that plan and that purpose. He gave you those abilities when you were still in the womb. So stop believing the self-talk and the negative talk from others. Stop believing what your parents may have told you when you were young. Stop believing what school children may have told you. Stop believing what your spouse may have told you, what anybody may have told you when they said you are not good enough and you cannot do this, because they are lying. You are good enough and you can do this. You can accomplish what you put your mind to. You can accomplish what God created you to accomplish. So learn the words Můžu and Umím and start speaking them to yourself daily. Say to yourself, I can do this. And then make a plan. Write down your goals and write down measurable steps of how to accomplish those goals. Did you know only 14% of people in the world actually make yearly goals? And only 3% of that 14% actually write down those goals. Without a plan, your goals are merely a dream. And without a written plan, your goals will rarely be accomplished. So I created a free how-to guide for a successful 2021. Just click the link in the description below to download your free guide. But you know what? Your guide's not going to work if you don't believe it will. It's not going to work if you don't stop speaking negative talk to yourself and stop believing the negative talk you may have heard in the past. So start today. Begin saying to yourself, I know that I can. And then click the link below and get your free guide and be on your way to a successful 2021. I believe you can do it. Tak, až příští týden. Ciao.